Now take a new camera as an example to demonstrate not included. Connect one of the two ends of the DC test wires to the camera. Connect the other end of the DC test wires to the monitor. Connect one end of the DC test wires to the cigarette lighter adapter. Plug the cigarette lighter into the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and displays a black screen. Press the M key to enter the menu mode. Press the M key to enter the pair countdown. Disconnect the camera power and quickly turn on. The image appears on the screen, indicating that the pairing is successful.